One of the common questions asked me by my clients is, when will their brand become digitally visible so that they get many followers and eventually many leads? I'm Dr. Vinita Gaikwad from Navanta Digital, and in this video, I will be explaining the realistic timeline it takes for a brand to become digitally visible so as to get many followers and leads. So let's say we divide the timeline into three phases. In the phase one, referred to as, let's say, this foundation phase, which would take a month of time, we set up the digital vitals, which means that we set up the Google Map pack. We also set up verified LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook accounts. This is the point where the visibility starts. The second phase of the timeline, which we can refer to, let's say, as a momentum, and can go on for a period of 2 to 3 months, is a point where we will start getting in reviews from the clients, and the videos which we have created in the past few weeks from the point of view of creating awareness and education for our clients will start appearing in the searches. This is also the point where we will start getting the inquiries. The third phase of this timeline, also referred to as a dominance phase, is a point where your brand starts coming up in the first three in the Google Maps, and this is the point where you actually start getting leads, and this phase can go on for a period of 4 to 6 months. So it takes at least 4 to 6 months for you to come to this dominance phase. So that's the phase 3 of the timeline. So if you see, I've explained to you 3 phases of the timeline where your digital visibility becomes more prominent once you start this work of digital marketing. So we are having phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Now, once the digital visibility has been set in through these 3 phases, the very next question that crops in is, when do we start getting leads? And obviously, the entire exercise of doing digital marketing was to get leads and boost the business. So to get those leads, the first 30 days are spent in getting digital presence or having a stabilized digital presence. The next 30 to 60 days are spent in the momentum, which is basically also referred to as your client trust velocity, the point where your client actually starts trusting you and starts preferring you than your competitors. So that's the middle phase. And the next part of it, the last part of it, is where you actually start getting leads. So by 90 days, yes, 90 days, or let's say a few days more beyond that, you will actually start getting quality leads.